Hello and welcome to 2196 Red Rock Drive in Beavercreek, Ohio. This is Don Shurts with Keller Williams Community Partners and MiamiValleyDreamHomes.com. This 5-bedroom, 4-bath home was built in 1974 and offers over 3,000 square feet of living space. One of the highlights of this home is that it has 2 primary suites or a mother-in-law suite on the first floor with its own private entrance off the driveway. If you'd like to schedule a tour of this home, please call Don and Cyndi Shurts